Hello, welcome to this video of how you can build a simple hydroponic garden to grow your veggies at home without soil. This is a tomato plant or garden I did about 49 days ago, and you can see that they are doing very fine. They are already flowering. Yeah, so that is why I said let me share the idea, and maybe it will be of help to someone. So it's a simple garden to build, just using any basic plastic container with cover. Then you drill your holes, according to the size of the plastic. This one I'm able to plant about 6 tomatoes, and you can see they are all doing very well. You can see the roots, you can see the roots. The roots are quite beautiful. So I will take you through a very short explanation of how I did this using a smaller one I'm planning to plant today. So this is the smaller one. It's the same container, but a smaller size. So I've done it for only 4 plants. Yeah, you can see it's the same container. Yeah, it's the same container, only that this one is smaller. So I've designed it for only 4 plants. So what do you need to do this? You need just your drill, your drill, which is this. Then you need your circular saw. I use this circular saw here to drill these holes, and I equally did smaller holes. That is this one. The reason for that is that you have to create that small hole for air circulation, because the roots of the plant need oxygen to grow, and the water too should not be hot. If the water inside is hot or warm, it will affect the growth of the roots, and which will affect the plant too. So when you drill that, of course, you need a mesh cup. This mesh cup is just where you put the plant, and you need the balls. The reason for this is to support the plant, so that especially when the plant is very young, they need to be stable. So that is why you need that. Instead of using the balls, you can use and improvise. This one is a pull, which I cut. So you can get pull and cut the size that will fit into the mesh cup. So you can put it like that. So that is what I did for this strawberry. You can see the strawberry is equally doing fine. Then when you've done that, all those, then you need your nutrient for which is liquid fertilizer, if you like. In this case, I use the Power Grow A and B, so, and what you just need a little quantity, about 5 ml of each of them for 1 liter of water. So you mix the two appropriately, and you fill the container with the mixture, with the solution, and you are ready to go. So it's the same thing I did here for the strawberry. You can see the water, so, and you can see the roots is growing. The strawberry is already flowering. You can do something like that. In that case, I use nails to put holes on the surface of the cover to allow air circulation too, just like I did for this tomato garden. You can see that I have the same smaller holes there, so when you do that, your garden is ready, and the plant will grow very well. You can put it anywhere. You can put it inside your lounge or somewhere in your kitchen, so, and they will do very well. And you cut your fresh vegetables when you need them, instead of running to the shop. And the satisfaction is another thing. So you try it, and please like and share the video and give us feedback. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you while you do that. Have a good day, and bye.